Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word viciousness. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The viciousness of the dog startled me as it growled and bared its teeth. Viciousness is the quality of being cruel, violent, or aggressive, often associated with behavior that is intentionally harmful or malicious. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.